Hey everyone, just wanted to show off my midlife, my game room. So yeah, here's my game room. It's not the flashiest, most expensive, nor do I have the biggest gaming collection or anything like that, but I really like it. And I'm really happy with how the space turned out. It's really like a sanctuary to me. And that's why I kind of wanted to share it, because it brings me a lot of joy and, I don't know, someone might find it interesting as well. I'm a casual gamer at best. I've got 3 toddlers and no time, nor do I have any friends. I don't have anything in my collection that's really out there. It's all pretty vanilla. So I thought I'd concentrate more on how the room works, like how the TVs and the systems are actually hooked up. I have 16 consoles, ranging from the PS1 to the PS4, the original NES to the Nintendo Switch, the Sega Master System to Dreamcast, yeah, all that kind of stuff. And I have 10 handhelds, going from the original Game Boy up to the Steam Deck. Okay, so let's talk about how everything's hooked up. The 4 main TVs are hooked up to a 4x4 matrix, so anything that's connected up to it can be put onto any screen at any time with just a few button clicks. And the 4 main TVs are the Shelf TV, the Billboard TV, the Main TV, and the CRT TV. Let's go through them one by one. Input 1, the Shelf TV, has a Chromecast with Google TV that I have my security cameras viewable on. The game room doesn't have any windows, so I like to know what's going on outside while I work. Input 2, the Billboard TV. I have an HDMI switcher connected to this one just to make it more confusing. 1 has a Raspberry Pi with video looper, with anime trailers and music videos. 2 is my Steam Deck, 3 is the PS4, and 4 is a spare port for other HDMI consoles. Input 3, the Main TV, is my PC. I have an HDMI splitter from the PC, one to my main monitor and the second to the Matrix. Input 4 is the VCR. So HDMI to RCA to the VCR, then RCA to HDMI to the Matrix. I found I don't need all the retro consoles plugged in at the same time, so I just plug them in to the VCR as I need them. I just keep all the cables and resealable bags in this box. The VCR has 2 inputs, so I have a PS2 plugged into the front input, and at the back I have a media player that plays old Cartoon Network recordings. And I wanted to replicate the live TV feel, so I put a double adapter on the media player and hooked it up to this Bonus Jonas 14-inch that lives in the shelves, so I can have Cartoon Network playing on both CRT TVs, giving me that live sort of feel. And since it's in the Matrix, I can put them on any screen I'd like. Oh yeah, I also have an HDMI splitter going to the Shelf TV, and the other back to a PC capture card, so I can record gameplay or digitize VHS tapes. Also, we don't talk about cable management here. So yeah, everything is hooked up how I like it, and it really works for me. I'm always adding things, so I might make another video one day, if anyone is interested. And yeah, I guess that's it. I hope you enjoyed my game room. Feel free to ask any questions, and yeah, thanks for watching.